You know, when I was young, my mom said you're gonna have to learn some skills. So I learned how to do laundry, I learned how to iron, and I learned how to cook. Today's Tuesday tip, we're gonna learn how to make some tortillas. Today, we're gonna make some masa for some homemade tortillas for breakfast. This here is some masa. This is matzo ball mix. Now let's talk to our producers about Passover versus Mexican food. Okay, so first step. I'm gonna pour about a cup of this into my mixer. Now, who honestly does not travel with an Oster mixer? All right, let's get about a cup in there. This is basically a finely ground corn flour with some lime in it. Don't put matzo ball mix in there. Again, some sea salt, let's call it a large teaspoon. Toss that in there. Now let's go ahead and turn it on. And turn it on slowly. Mix in that salt. Now, this is actually water. We're gonna pour enough water till it starts coming together into a ball. All it is. Do this at home ahead of time, wrap it up in some plastic, stick it in the fridge, you're ready to go. If it dries out a little bit, then just put a little moisture in there and then squish it up a little bit more. You'll know what the texture's supposed to be once you practice on this, okay? We're gonna take some of the masa we made back in the Land Commander. I'm gonna get a nice little ball here. I'm gonna roll her up, kind of like so. See that? Call it like a small golf ball. Then we're gonna take our wax paper, a little bit of there, put that down, one good press. Now I like mine pretty thick. So, see how that comes apart? Beauty. This is the difficult part. Come on, baby. See if I can keep it in one piece. If not, really, who cares? Hey, I need a shout out to a Tooth Molar in Canada. Still a little sticky. See how it picked up on my fingers? I'm gonna give that a minute or so. It's gonna crisp up a little bit. I want it kind of crispy. It's not like tortilla chip style. This is not your normal corn tortilla. I like them kind of thick. You might consider this, gordita style, except made with corn. Okay, up, flipper. Yeah, see? That is still nice and soft. You know, tortillas are not actually a food, they're a utensil. So you can eat this for breakfast. You know what I like to do? Touch of butter. You ever have Tabasco jelly? It'll change your life. See how, you gotta have it on a dry one. Some people put some lard, some people put some butter or oil. That's just gonna fry them. You just wanna cook this through. That's some corny goodness. Not corny as in that kind of corny. Oh man. There. Here, magical person, try that. What do the camera gods think of this? Oh, you got a good thumbs up there. How about the other camera guy? You know, I'll give you a nice big piece. That's breakfast. Love it. Join us this Thursday. We're gonna make up a great breakfast that's gonna get you going in the morning.
White Knuckle Studios.